Here's a quick bullet point guide on how to start a new business. Develop a business idea. Think about a unique product or service that solves a problem or meets a demand in the market. Your idea should stand out by offering something different from competitors, whether through innovation or a better approach. Conduct market research. Research your industry to understand trends, identify potential competitors, and analyze customer needs. Gathering this data helps you validate your idea and determine if there's enough demand for your product or service. Create a business plan. Write a plan that outlines your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial forecasts. This document will serve as your roadmap and can also help secure investors or loans if needed. Choose a business structure. Decide what legal structure your business will have, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has different implications for taxes, liability, and operational complexity, so choose one that fits your long-term vision. Register your business. Register your business name and legal entity with your local government, and apply for any necessary permits or licenses. This step ensures your business is legally compliant and can operate without issues. Set up finances. Open a dedicated business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. Set up accounting software or hire an accountant to track income, expenses, and cash flow effectively. Secure funding. Assess how much startup capital you'll need and explore funding options such as small business loans, angel investors, or self-funding. A clear financial plan will help you stay on track and cover expenses like equipment, marketing, and staffing. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan to promote your business, starting with branding, building a website, and leveraging social media. Focus on reaching your target audience through advertising, content marketing, and networking. Launch and start operations. Begin selling your product or service and manage the day-to-day operations, like customer service, sales, and order fulfillment. Keep your focus on delivering value to customers and building relationships to foster loyalty. Monitor and adjust. Regularly analyze your business performance through key metrics like sales, customer feedback, and market trends. Based on the data, make necessary adjustments to improve your products, services, and operations over time. This step-by-step approach helps ensure you build a strong foundation for your business and adapt as you grow.